dole ni anyitania na the long company.
Correct.
Mwana na jauda kwalia munole mukoga ni kawaida yake.
Yes.
You start justifying life ya mwanole ko oyo. Number 1 hano de murathi na bethi ni amutolere umuthe udwati. Nuna thimo. Ici tuhuthagira ici. Aciari macitumira tawe yako reka ciana ciao ciikarie. But they don't know mwana yole ni amu put into another lifestyle. Atemenya mwana ushakaga undu ucio ri mwana ni murimu ukamunyita. Itomineke wa mwonya atiriri aikodo ndureka get to your phone. When your friend. So uthi hado iniri ni ukara uthi hado ini. So mwenye lako ni mwana ucio ni aje uthi kuri hado iniri. Wata mushari ni ukara kuhanda mwana ucio hado ini. If you didn't train mwana kwa ndo ni kumae munini. Hede ukawa ni kumu withdraw kuma kuri that team le. Mwana atuka stressed. Hello, how you force? I came out my attack. The child stressed. Mwana ole get to I know heido. I take it near a hair, take near a hair. Mwana edo kamwima. Stress clicks. No natere. So it is good to be alert. Tabushiali. Kata community. Izu to ekuo. Atogona today dana duati oekodo mona. Dora weka. I need to question you. In a friendly manner, diayo kome gwajika rugano watele duati and dona ogethi hari yali ke kurathiri atia ke mwahitanirie ke nyende kumenya atiriri niki utarari urari yaga niki thikuci oyi nuko tukireirwo anyita niki thikuci urekira nguo itorekiraga what have changed no nyende ku understand at what have changed in your life itomineke tugire atiriri kuolerwo ni